Hi guys, have you ever wondered what such empty boxes can possibly do? Okay, so today we're going to do a video using this empty box to make a candle holder. First, I'm gonna spray paint it black around the edges. And as I wait for it to dry, I'm going to take a gold reflective sheet and cut it into strips. The strips are measuring around 2.5 centimeters width. The length I'm not so sure about, but I'm just gonna cut it according to the size of my box. I'll be wrapping the strips around the box at particular intervals of 5 centimeters each. And here we are. Now the next step, I'm going to cover the dark areas or the spaces with mirror tiles, and these are mirror tiles that I got online. They're measuring 5 by 5 centimeters. The mirror tile, as you can see, is covered with a thin film of polythene. This is to protect them, but I'll remove these ones later after I'm done with my project. Now I'm going to remove each mirror tile one by one and place them aside. And then using a hot glue, I'm going to glue them down on the dark areas around my box, all through, leaving the areas that are covered by gold mirror sheet only. Now that I'm through with gluing down the mirror tiles, I'll just go ahead and remove the covering film all around the mirror tiles. We'll then finish our piece of work by gluing down the top or the cover of a gold spray paint, and this is where our candle is gonna be put inside. And this is it, guys. This is the final result. Let me know your thoughts on the comments down below. Give me a like, a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel. Bye. Love you. See you next time.